Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. 11:53 in Honolulu, 5:53 in New York on Tuesday, 7th day of June 2022, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Traders, a respectable move in gold today, gaining about $10 on the day. We are recording this just after 6 o'clock in New York, which means that we have changed to the next day. You can see that as a small hash mark right here. We currently have gold at $1,855.20. What is interesting is we have a very neutral dollar, in essence unchanged today at 102.45. Traders, as you know, we have been neutral with no active trade for quite some time, and the reason that we've maintained this neutral position is we haven't seen a lot of movement one way or the other in gold pricing. If we look over the last 12 days, we can see that gold has consistently opened and closed above the 200-day moving average. That is this red line right here. We have had a couple of wicks that have gone below it, but for the most part, that has proved to be pretty strong support, at least over the last 2 weeks. In terms of resistance, we have to acknowledge that we have our first level at about 1870, and that represents Thursday's close and Friday's open. That's this red candle here on Friday, this green candle here on Thursday. Above these two highs at approximately 1870, we have major resistance at the 50 and 100-day moving averages that occur at approximately $1,890. We are trapped within this narrow range. In terms of our next trade and strategy, we would look to buy it down near the 200-day moving average, which comes in just above 1,840, realizing that we probably would see resistance at about 1,870. And of course, one of the most important things that we need to keep our eye on is dollar strength or weakness. We're looking at a weekly chart of the dollar index. We've identified a series of tops that occurred just above 103. This first one in 2017, the second one in 2020, and most recently, about a month ago, we trended well above that, trading to a high above 105, but have broken back below that. Over these last 2 weeks, as you can see, on this weekly chart, we have seen dollar strength return. In terms of resistance, we have real resistance between 103 and 105. We have major support at 100.36, and that is the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Of course, this Fib retracement runs from 103.80 down to these lows at about 80. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.